We about to change the front seat out this 2012 Infiniti G37. The airbag shit came out the damn seats. I have to change the whole shit, man. Some people will just change the top, but fuck that. I'll do the junkyard, get another seat, so we're gonna put that in. Let's begin. Okay, all you will need is a 14. If you could have a 14 wrench separate with the gun, it will be a little faster because sometimes they're tight and the gun can't even spin it. And you know what I'm saying? Plus, I ain't trying to, you know, break the bolt, so I'd rather use both. Loosen it with this, unscrew it with this. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna need a flathead too. A flathead and this. Because sometimes you might need this to pop the shells off. If you know what I mean. These are the shells I'm talking about. This one, that one, and there's two in the back. Some people keep these on, some people don't. Me, I don't keep mine on. So it's up to you if you want to put these back on. See, this one's already loose, so I can just pop it off. Boom. And back the seat up, so you get the other bolt, back the seat up. All the way, max it out. Now take this one off. I'm gonna use this. Pop that shit off. Pop. Easy. 14 right there. 14 right here. So let's loosen it with this first. Move this. Move. Okay. Okay, loosen that shit. Oh shit. Okay, so loosen that one. Do the other one. You're gonna need two hands to do this. To just loosen it. Now I'm using my gun. Screw that shit off, man. Screw that shit off. But if you want a perfect seat, you could go to the dealer and get a brand new one, which is a waste of money. But that's up to you. That's up to you. Okay, now let's put these bolts there so you can use them for the next seat. Okay, now let's push this all the way up and go to the back. Get the other two in the back. All the way up till you max it out. All the way. You don't have to do all the way, but it's better to do all the way. Okay, this carpet gonna be in the way, so you have to push it this way or pull it out your way, move it out your way. Okay, now. Oh, I forgot the flathead. Okay, a little dark back here. Turn on the flash. Take this. Pop this up. Okay. Oh, fuck. Shit, bro. This is what it is. Okay, now. With you, make sure you be careful. Don't break it like me. Take your time. Don't break shit. It's not cool. Okay, now. Take this one off. Use your hand for this one. See? Easy. That was easy. Why this one couldn't be the same shit? Damn. Whatever. Alright, now. Let's unscrew it. Loosen it with this first. Then use the gun. You know the deal. Same thing with this one. Loosen it first. Take your gun, screw it off. Yeah. Take that off. Same thing over here. Take that off. Okay. Now let's go to the front and push this shit back to get to the wires. Okay, so when you put the seat back, you have to disconnect these connectors off it. Okay. So let's remove this with this. Let's take that off first. Okay, once you remove that, remove this one right here. Right there. Same thing, same tool. Let's remove it. Soon you remove that, remove this one. Same tool. Soon you remove the last one, those three.
you could disconnect. Well, unplug these off. That one, it's the airbag right here. You have to pull this white thing right here, push it back and pull back like that. Boom. Take off this one. Last one, the big one. Okay, boom. Now let's take the seat out. If you remove this headrest right here, it's a little easier to get it out. So let's take this off. You gotta do a squeeze, push on this like that, and pull up like that. Okay, you can put it anywhere, back seat, whatever. Now let's take this off. There's the seat. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's put the seat back in here. Okay, once you place your new seat here, let's connect the connectors first. Airbag, your motors, connect everything first. Boom, boom, boom. Because we need this to move the seat and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So let's put all these back. Okay, don't forget these. Put these in. Boom. 2 and 3. Okay. Okay, now let's align this with the holes here. Put the seat down. Alright, seat back, all the way back till you see the holes for the bolts. There you go, boom, boom. Put the screws in. Okay, test your seat, make sure it works. I mean, obviously it works. Just back, forward. Okay, now let's put the headrest on top. Okay, it's the headrest. Headrest is on. Boom, adjust it how you want to. Should be good like that. Yep, that's it. Okay, don't forget to put your covers back on there if you want to. If you decide to put them back, the long one go right here, passenger side. Well, no, right side. That's where it goes. If you want to put it in there, okay, it's like that. Boom. And this one right here, I think it goes there. I'm not sure. I'm just guessing. I don't know. Oh, it's this one. This one goes here. Oh, there you go. Boom, boom. Okay. Front. This is for this one right here, I think. No, it's this one. It's this one with this one right here. So we go right here. Okay. That one over there. This one, I think. Pretty sure it's this one. There you go. Boom. That is it.
Okay, that was it. How you do the front seat? Well, passenger seat. Most Nissan Infinitis, same shit. 4 bolts, rip that shit out, connectors, all that shit. Alright, so, already know, man. I helped you out. Give me a thumbs up. If you need help, comment below. Hit me on Instagram, Jules Mechanics, and do not forget to subscribe. Later.